Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Paramount Plus with your Walmart Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, if you open a web browser and type in the URL www.paramount.com, you will end up in the official website of Paramount Plus. So once you're in the official website, you need to get signed in into your account. However, you cannot link your Walmart Plus and Paramount Plus accounts through your Paramount Plus account. So you need to tap open your Walmart Plus app or your website, and to access your Paramount Plus through your Walmart Plus membership, you need to sign in into your account first. So once you have done, you need to go to your Walmart Plus Benefits Hub and click Get Paramount Plus. So once your accounts are linked, you can now start streaming your Paramount Plus content through your Paramount Plus app or website, and you can upgrade to Paramount Plus with Showtime for an additional fee through your Walmart Plus account. So this is how you can use your Walmart Plus with your Walmart Plus. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.